welcome back to my channel. Today we transformed ourselves into a cute vampire. This look was super easy and I think it'll be super fun for Halloween, so if you want to see how we created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start off this look, I already have my base applied. I have foundation, concealer, powder, and I contoured a little bit. I also have my eyebrows done, so now we're just going to start right in with the eyes, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So I'm just going to take the color Henna. It's like a warm brown shade, and apply that right into my crease. And really smoke it out towards my eyebrow. Now I'm going to take the color Man-Eater, which is a nice dark red, and pack that on the outer V of my lid and also smoke it out into the crease. We want to have a very red and smoky crease today. Okay, so now I'm going to make a black smoky eye, so I'm going to cover my lid in the e.l.f. gel liner, which is black. So I'm actually just going to take my finger and just coat my lid very carefully in black. Make sure that you have a makeup wipe on hand to wash your black finger. Okay, and now to set that black lid, I am taking the same palette and I'm going into the black shade, which is called Black Truffle, and I'm taking it on a more dense packing brush, and I'm just gonna cover the lid with that black shadow and start blending it out where my eyelid meets the crease. And now, using that same blending brush from before, we're taking the color Man-Eater again and just working on blending out that black. Okay, and now using a black liquid liner, I'm going to use the one from Ico London. I'm going to line my waterline. Okay, and now using the same dense packing brush, I'm taking the same black eyeshadow and I'm just going to smoke out my waterline. Okay, now going back to my fluffy brush and the red color called Man-Eater, I'm just going to start smoking this out pretty aggressively. We want to bring it down pretty far on my under eye. Okay, so now we're going to draw in some red veins under my eye. So I have a liner brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm taking some red liquid lipstick. This is from Stila. It's the color Beso. And I'm just going to put that liquid lipstick on the back of my hand. Okay, so now starting at my waterline, I'm going to draw in some wispy lines and make it look like veins. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Okay, and this eye is finished. So now I'm going to do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so both eyes are done and we're already looking pretty spooky and scary, but we're not done yet. We're going to move on to the rest of the face. So I'm taking the same Huda Rose Gold palette and the color Suede, which is a gray brown tone, and we're going to actually use that to contour, just so we look a little bit more dead. If you go in too harsh, just take your beauty blender and bounce it out. Okay, and we can't forget to highlight, so I'm taking the Anastasia Moonchild highlighting kit. And I'm going to take the color Star, which is a pretty silvery highlight, and just hit my cheekbones. Hit my temples. And down the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. Okay, so now the face is done and all we have to do is add a lip. So you could totally take the same matte red lipstick you used under your eyes. However, I kind of want to go for a more juicy, bloody look. So I'm taking the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lipstick in the color Crimson Chrome. Okay, and this look is complete. We have successfully transformed ourselves into a vampire. I really love the way it turned out, and I think it will be super cute for Halloween this year, so definitely try it out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below if you have any other Halloween costume ideas you want me to try out before Halloween. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram at Sophia Doing Makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.